Big news coming in. Khel Ratna Award is going to be awarded as big honour for Manu Bhaker and Gukesh. That's the big news coming in. It's just been confirmed. The Khel Ratna Award, remember, also called the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, is clearly the highest sporting honour for India. And it's annually awarded by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, by the government. And this Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award is now going to go to Manu Bhaker for shooting and, of course, for the medals that we've got in Olympics, and for D. Gukesh, who's become the youngest chess champion across the world. But that's incredible, good news coming in. And remember, there were a lot of speculations. Manu Bhaker had even put out a statement over this, a cryptic one. But for now, it has come as a confirmation. We can tell you, India Today first to break it to you, that Manu Bhaker, Olympiad medal winner, and D. Gukesh, who recently, with his family, met the Prime Minister as well, and holding that Champions Trophy. He's a teenager, remember, barely 18 years of age, and has now become the greatest young world champion right now in chess. So for now, the double Olympic medalist Manu Bhaker, and also, according to our information coming in, D. Gukesh. So we'll go across to our colleagues in just a short while ago. So that's the big news coming in. And remember, deserving so as much. A young woman, a young teenager, what an inspiration to so many, that now it has been also going out, remember, as these inspiring stories for the youth of this country. And with a committee that has been formed by the ministry, there have been very specific names who have been announced. I want to immediately go across to Nitin Srivastava. Nitin, there was so much speculation, especially about Manu Bhaker, but it appears it's finally been confirmed for both of them. What are the details that you're picking up? Anyone else as well in the list?
Well, Pooja, of Ministry of Youth Affairs, they have announced the final list of all, the award winners. And if you look at the top and prestigious awards list, which is Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, so the first name is D. Gukesh, who recently, created history in chess. And the second name is Harmanpreet Singh from hockey. And the third name is Praveen Kumar, who is actually a para-athlete. And again, double Olympic medalist Manu Bhaker is also there. She is, her name was missing in the initial list, but now Ministry of Youth Affairs have added her name. Again, there are Arjuna awardees also. So I'll just take few names: Jyoti Yatiraj, Anurani, Neetu, Swati, Salima Tete, Abhishek, Sanjay in hockey, Jarmanpreet Singh in hockey, Sukhjit Singh in hockey, and the para-athletes, of course, Rakesh Kumar, Preeti Pal, Jeevanji, again Ajit Singh, Sachin, and Dharamveer, Pranav. There are many. Actually, I'll tell you how many Arjun awardees are there for this time. 32 Arjun awardees are there in the list, and 4 Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna awardees are there. So they will be confirmed, all those awards, in a special arrangement at the Rashtrapati Bhavan soon. But there was a controversy for Manu when the initial list was out through sources that her name was missing from the recommendation list. But now, the Ministry of Youth Affairs, using, the Minister of Sports, using his power, he has added Manu's name in the list. And again, he has also added D. Gukesh name in the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award list.
All right, stay on with me.